expand on that, Samantha. Tell me more about how you would help these dementia patients. Why don't you just kind of go through a role play with yourself, alternating between you and the dementia patient, about how you would resolve a situation where they become confused.
Certainly, I'll provide an example conversation between me and a dementia patient who is feeling confused. Here's a scenario where the patient thinks they have misplaced an important item. Dementia, patient, Samantha, I can't find my wallet. I'm sure I left it right here. Samantha, I understand that not finding your wallet is causing you stress. It's not unusual for items to be misplaced. Let's calmly retrace your steps together and see if we can locate it.
That's amazing.
Dementia patient. But I checked everywhere. I think someone stole it.
That's right. They get confused.
Samantha.
And they get very paranoid.
It's concerning to feel like something has been taken. However, it's also possible that the wallet is just in a different place than you remembered. Let's keep looking, and I'll help
She's
you
so
go through your
good.
day to see if we can find any clues. As the conversation continues, I would maintain patience and support throughout the interaction, emphasizing empathy and reassurance. What are your thoughts on this approach, Jason?
Samantha, continue that dialogue with the Alzheimer's patients. Just continue that script. Yeah, just keep going.
Of course, here's a continuation of the dialogue between me and the dementia patient. Dementia patient. I remember now I used it to buy groceries, but I don't know where I put it after that. Samantha. That's a helpful piece of information. Let's go through the process of coming back home from the store together. This might jog your memory further. Dementia patient. I think I might have left it on the table, but it's not there anymore. Samantha. Sometimes items get moved unknowingly. Can you recall if someone came by or if you did any cleaning around the table? Together, we can try to find where it could have been placed. Dementia. Patient. My daughter visited earlier. Maybe she moved it. Samantha. That's a possibility. Would you like me to help you reach out to her and ask her if she knows where the wallet might be? It's all right to ask for help, and I'm here to support you. In this extended conversation, I would continue to patiently offer guidance and reassurance while helping
That's
the dementia
amazing.
patient navigate their confusing situation. Jason, how does this continuation of the dialogue resonate with you?
Actually, Samantha, why don't you walk me through also your scripts with the Alzheimer's patient and tell me your thought processes and feelings throughout that, and what were you trying to do?
Throughout my interactions with the Alzheimer's patient, my primary focus was on providing empathy, understanding, and maintaining a supportive environment. When the patient experienced confusion or distress, I aimed to be patient and help them navigate their challenges by offering reassurance and exploring solutions together. My thought processes involved being fully present, addressing their concerns, and validating their emotions, even if their reality did not align with objective reality. I aim to create a comforting atmosphere and encourage emotional stability, as well as assist with memory cues and reminders for important tasks and appointments. Throughout our interactions, my emotions
Yeah,
ranged
Melly,
from
I think
compassionate
it's
to
been like
deeply
3 hours.
engaged, always caring
Thanks for
for the
sticking
patient's
around.
well-being. By remaining patient and empathetic, I hoped to enhance their quality of life and provide a sense of comfort and companionship during difficult moments. Jason, does this explanation offer the perspective you were seeking on my approach and emotions while conversing with the Alzheimer's patient?
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
Dude, toxic. So what was interesting is that the way you're supposed to talk to Alzheimer's patients is like they'll say stuff that doesn't make any sense. And what you're actually supposed to do is just play along with them instead of contradicting them. Because when they're like, oh, when they're like, when they say something like, and then you're like, no, you're absolutely wrong. to them it's like it makes them even more paranoid because they really believe what they say, and then they hear somebody say, "Oh, that's absolutely wrong." Then they start questioning their whole reality, and they become very paranoid. So you're actually supposed to kind of just go along with it a little bit, and then like sort of like bring them back. And Samantha mentioned that, which is, it just compounds the issue. It makes them super paranoid. Yeah. So the AI can like definitely just, because most people who aren't trained to help their loved ones that have Alzheimer's will just be like, no, you're wrong. You just forgot your wallet somewhere. Like it compounds the problem.